This is 60 Business Ideas in 60 Days. Today we're talking about starting a renewable energy solutions company in the UAE. Under this license, you can offer solar energy systems, including the design, supply, and installation of photovoltaic panels for homes, offices, and industrial facilities. Energy efficiency consulting, such as building audits, retrofitting, and sustainable energy planning. Green building solutions, including LED lighting, insulation systems, and smart energy controls. EV charging infrastructure setup and maintenance, battery storage systems, and hybrid power management solutions. Sustainability and carbon consulting, including carbon footprint analysis and renewable certification support. Smart grid and energy monitoring systems using IoT and automation. Now, let's talk about where to set up. If your goal is to work directly with clients in the UAE, especially on installation projects like solar system, EV chargers, or building energy audits, then the Mainland is your best choice. It also gives you access to government tenders and private development projects that require engineering and contracting work. If you want to focus on trading, consulting, R&D, or international renewable projects, then a free zone setup is more affordable and offers 100% foreign ownership. Free zones like Masdar City, Dubai Silicon Oasis, SRTIP, and Rakez are popular options. You can still serve mainland clients, but to carry out installation work, you will need a licensed mainland service agent or distributor. Because renewable energy is regulated, you will need a few technical approvals. In most cases, you will have to register with the Electricity Authority, and you may also need safety checks from the municipality or civil defense. Some solar equipment will also need ESMA certification. Opening a business bank account is straightforward, but banks may consider renewable energy firms medium risk because projects often involve large payments and long timelines. They will ask you for your business plan, supplier, and client contracts, technical approvals from authorities, your office lease, and project forecasts or equipment invoices. Here's your game plan. Choose your jurisdiction, select your business activities, apply for your trade license, get technical approvals from local municipality, process your investor or partner visa, open your business bank account, import or register your equipment and certifications, register for corporate tax and VAT, and that's it. Your renewable energy solutions company is ready to launch. If this sounds like the right business for you, we are here to help. We've helped more than 25,000 entrepreneurs start their businesses in the UAE. Fill out the form in description and let's get started.